Email inside D2L is slightly different from emailing students outside of D2L. This video covers using Classlist within D2L for emailing students and a few tidbits about D2L email. In the course navbar, click Communication and then Classlist. Here you'll see a listing of all the students in your course. If you click the Staff tab, your name should appear in the table below. I'll click back to the All tab to see everyone in the class. If you'd like to email only a few students in the class, click the checkbox to the left of individual students' names and then click the email link above the table. Alternatively, you can send an email to everyone in the class with the Email Classlist button at the top of the Classlist screen. D2L will show you everyone that will receive the email in the table on the next screen. Scroll to the bottom and click the blue Send Email button to begin composing. The D2L email addresses will appear in the BCC or blind carbon copy area. This means that students receiving this email will not see other students' names or email addresses. This can be particularly important when you send emails to groups of students where it could be a potential violation of FERPA for students to know the other recipients. Also note that the email addresses are not the usual mtmail.mtsu.edu. I'll remove myself from this particular message. Next, type in your subject. I'll write, Welcome to CSCI 2230. After that, compose the body of your message. I'll paste in my welcome message that contains a replace string from our news, replace strings and release conditions video. Last, scroll back to the top and click the blue Send button. As a reminder, you cannot email out to students' MT-mail account using the D2L class list or email tools. D2L emails stay within the D2L system. Now we'll look at how to find that email within D2L. Click Communication in the navbar and click Email. Notice to the left that there is an inbox option which will show you all the emails that have arrived to your D2L email account. A quick note about the D2L email system. If you can't find a particular email, use the Filter By dropdown and set it to All Messages to get a listing of all the emails that you've received. If you copied yourself on the email class list sample we just did, you might see the copy of the email to yourself here. I did not add myself in the CC area, so it does not show up in my inbox. Below the inbox link on the far left is Sent Mail, which will keep a listing of all the different messages that you've sent out via D2L email. I'll click it and look for the message I just sent. I'm not seeing it, so I'll change the Filter By dropdown to All Messages. And there it is. If you click on the subject of an email, you'll be able to see to whom the message was sent and what the message was, with the date and timestamps. A reply button will appear along the bottom of the pop-up window for responding to any email from your students. Using D2L Classlist and email is one good way to keep a record of communication between you and your students within D2L.